Sindhu. I'm from Atoms8 Robotic Labs Private Limited. We manufacture home automation. In 2018, when we were thinking or ideating about making a home automation company, we wanted to get this PCB manufactured after we had arrived at a breadboard scenario where the initial design was ready. And then we met a lot of local vendors who were doing the PCB manufacturing and assembly. Problem there was I was not aware what is happening. It was not a structured procedure where I could understand has assembly started, fabrication started, when am I going to get my boards delivered to me. So this caused a lot of planning issues as to when I can understand when my board is going to come to me and further procedures can happen. So one random day when we were Googling, we came across this online platform, LionCircuits. I think the plus of coming across this online platform was that everything is structured. The minute I upload my Gerber, I get an understanding of when the fabrication will be completed. If I want to go ahead with assembly, then quickly I can just add my BOM and there is a date as to when it will be done. And generally the timelines are very good and the procedure is very standard. Do I want an automated assembly, manual assembly, everything I can just choose. I don't have to coordinate with a lot of people to understand how things are going to go. There's not a multiple follow-ups. That's how we came across LionCircuits, and the process has been really good until now. As we grew as a company, our necessity to make more complex products came in the picture, and during this we wanted to make the smallest retrofit there is in the market, and for this we had to achieve 15 mm of thickness. This involved a lot more assembly complications because the leads of a lot of components had to be cut to match our casing restrictions, heat shrinks had to be applied at the right places, and then bending of the components where it is required. With this procedure being so complicated, initially there was a lot of glitches, but LionCircuits with a lot of patience worked with us to achieve this, and with this we are able to manufacture this in bulk, where there is a standard procedure made by them as to how these components have to be prepped for the assembly. And with this, now we have successfully achieved the smallest retrofit there is in home automation. Once we went out of the prototype stage and went into bulk manufacturing, LionCircuits was involved in how the panels had to be made so that our cost can be optimized, and how in bulk what quantities will give us a better price. Like at 100 what do we achieve, at 1000 what do we achieve. With this we had a more clearer idea as to how we can achieve better prices and their help in making the right panels. So that our manufacturing process has been now very well streamlined. With respect to being a manufacturer, lead time plays an important role because you have commitments where you have to deliver on time, and local vendors, the biggest problem was unreliability. LionCircuits has made that completely easy. There is a clear deadline or a timeline given to me as to when the product will be shipped, and that is achieved like 99% of the times, and even sometimes when they're not able to achieve it, they'll support us with giving us an initial batch, help us with shipping it through porter. There are multiple ways they support, and that is one thing which makes LionCircuits more approachable. In the 5 years that we have been associated with Lions, we started small with like a prototype, then we went to a few hundreds. Now that we are hitting 1000, the journey of how we are growing versus how the support with respect to manufacturing has been coming through Lions with respect to streamlining different processes for us, customizing something for us, always helping us achieve the timelines has been exceptional. And I see that forecast to be going well when we are scaling towards more of thousands. I'm very excited to be associated with Lions, and I would wish them all the very best, and let us grow together to be in thousands and lakhs and